हिमाद्रि तुंग श्रृंग से प्रबुद्ध शुद्ध भारती, स्वयं प्रभा समुज्ज्वला स्वतंत्रता पुकारती। अमर्त्य वीर पुत्र हो, दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञ सोच लो, प्रशस्त पुण्य पंथ है, बढ़े चलो बढ़े चलो। After a buoyant ride on a splendid performance in the Tokyo Olympics, glorious India is ready to prepare itself for its 75th Independence Day. Good morning everyone. Today we all have gathered here to celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our nation. On behalf of entire Delhi Public School NTPC Farakka fraternity, I Vaibhavi Dubey welcome you all to celebrate this day of glory and pride. Unfortunately, this year, due to the COVID pandemic, we are not celebrating it like any other year. We are celebrating it with limited people and by following all the COVID guidelines. But the spirit of patriotism are not dampened. So, with the same zeal and the enthusiasm, let's join in to celebrate this auspicious day of glory and pride. Jai Hind.
Good morning to everybody. We have taken this initiative to celebrate Independence Day in spite of the present scenario of the country, that is the pandemic going since last 18 months, and we have tried our level best to follow the guidelines of the government to observe the Independence Day. Our children are very enthusiastic. They have been looking forward to reach school, but because of the constraints of the pandemic, they have not been able to reach in the school and attend their classes regularly. However, for the celebration of national festival, they have come forward and followed the guidelines, and they have been able to prepare and produce a very good program on the stage of DPS Farakka. I wish everyone happy Independence Day on this occasion. Thank you and God bless you all.
Very good morning to all of you. As we are celebrating the 75th Independence Day, this is the year where everything is out of normal, or rather it is a new normal. Even the small children, they have also supported us wholeheartedly, and of course their parents who have willingly sent their children to participate in this program. We are all overwhelmed. We, the school administration, the teachers, all the staff members of the school are highly privileged and very proud to have been associated with this school.
So every year we used to do different cultural program. Our boys and girls used to get the trophy. But this year, due to pandemic situation, according to the government norms as well as ICMR guideline, we are following.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। आज मैं दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल फरक्का की हिंदी शिक्षिका मिसेस सुनीति दत्ता आप लोगों को स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर हार्दिक शुभकामना दे रही हूँ। मैंने देखा है कि भारतवर्ष में जिस परिस्थिति से होकर हम गुजर रहे हैं, ऐसी परिस्थिति में भारत सरकार के द्वारा बनाए गए नीति और नियमों का पालन करते हुए हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। हमारा स्कूल, पूरे भारतवर्ष का स्कूल, हमारे शिक्षकगण, सभी हम लोग एकजुट होकर इस कार्य में लगे हुए हैं और इस शिक्षा नीति को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए प्रयत्नशील हैं। मैं शपथ लेती हूँ कि हर दृष्टिकोण से मैं देश को आगे बढ़ाऊँ। एक शिक्षिका होने के नाते मैं यह कर्तव्य पूरा करने का प्रयास कर रही हूँ और सभी शिक्षकगण को, सभी देशवासियों को स्वतंत्रता का आह्वान करना चाहती हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
मैं अंजू श्रीवास्तव, दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल फरक्का की हिंदी शिक्षिका, आप सभी देशवासियों को 75वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देना चाहती हूँ। नमस्कार, वंदे मातरम।
I am Dr. A.K. Ganguly, PGT Mathematics, DPS Farakka. This year and the last year also we have celebrated 15th August in a different manner. We have given a lot of efforts to give the full respect of our freedom fighter by hoisting the national flag. I hope you are all fine. So I wish you all Happy Independence Day and best of luck and best of health. Thank you.
ও আমার দেশের মাটি তোমার পরে ঠাকাই মাথা, ও আমার দেশের মাটি তোমার পরে ঠাকাই মাথা, তোমাতে বিশ্বমায়ের, তোমাতে বিশ্বমায়ের আঁচল গাঁথা, ও আমার দেশের মাটি তোমার পরে ঠাকাই মাথা, ও আমার দেশের মাটি তোমার পরে ঠাকাই মাথা।